first, let's take a look at what happened in court today, a little closer with Matt Kaiser. He is a white-collar criminal defense attorney here in D.C. And sort of on the tail end of court, just before we came out here, we learned of sort of the first direct evidence of the governor asking for something in his direct capacity as governor, and then asking for something from Williams. Tell us more about that.
That's right. I mean, if this really sticks with the jury, it could be a big piece of evidence. A witness testified. It was a man who's a staffer, strategic advisor, and also a lawyer for the governor. That the governor emailed him and said, can you look into the situation with Anablock, of course, the Star Scientific product, in VCU. He testified this is the kind of request they normally didn't get, not the kind of thing they normally did. And then 6 minutes later, and the timing there is what could be really problematic for the governor. 6 minutes later, the governor emailed Johnny Williams and he asked him for a loan. That
might have been the most interesting part of the day. Nothing really explosive in court today, but you say this is actually really important to the government building its case.
That's right. Often what you see in a trial is that the opening statements start, the big witnesses come at the beginning, there are all the fireworks, it's exciting, it's sexy. And then what happens is you fall into this place where really the government is trying to build a wall, and they're doing it brick by brick, witness by witness, document by document. And the defense is trying to tear that wall down or maybe build their own wall on the side. So it's not as explosive, but it needs to happen, and it needs to keep the jury going.
One of the other things that keeps coming back into this courtroom is mention of the McDonnells financial situation. And so we heard about that email again where Maureen McDonnell says, we are broke, the inauguration is killing us. Why does this keep coming back up in court?
Sure. I mean, if I were the government, I would try to raise that as often as I can. It's a big thing because it shows why the McDonnells would do this. They were going to the inauguration, they were flat broke, and it shows why they would look to someone like Johnny Williams to get so many things.
I know we're running out of time, but real quick, will the governor take the stand this week?
I would be skeptical if he takes the stand this week. We'll see the rest of the government's case, and then the defense will probably start up after that, probably middle of next week.
All right. Matt Kaiser, always good to talk to you.
Great
we'll
to
see you in just a bit.
Thanks.
Jan?